should be bread flour. Being silly at the same time.
What's left in the thing?
This much. Maybe 2 cups.
Okay.
Can I add more to it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. That's about 5.
Okay, awesome.
So, to this, you're gonna add 2 palmfuls of kosher salt.
So we're gonna add 2 palmfuls
of kosher salt.
Okay, all right. That's 1.
Okay.
And then another 1.
Yep. You can do a little more.
A little more?
Yeah.
Right
Good.
there? Perfect, okay.
Okay, now you're gonna add the yeast.
So just little by little?
You can just pour it all in.
Okay.
And now you need to mix it.
Mix it, okay.
So
Let me just wash my hands real quick. Don't worry, you can go get in the video too. Fine, it's like, you know, it's not anything super like, really color crazy, but it's exciting. I'm excited. All right, just dig in and
yeah.
Okay. There we go. And you're adding how much? Oh, you already added the olive oil?
No, not yet.
Okay. Awesome. So I'll get it off my fingers like that.
Volevo fare un ringraziamento speciale alla mia amica Shailaja. Preparare la focaccia è molto divertente. Provatela. Grazie per aver guardato. Alla prossima.